do. I have had so many requests for this line, so I finally decided to go ahead and do a video for you for the entire line, and that is the Coils Caviar, Cashmere and Caviar line of products. I got the entire line, so I'm gonna go ahead and shampoo. My hair is wet, and I decided to shampoo on camera today for you guys because everybody by now knows about this shampoo. And yes, the shampoo is black. So we're gonna go ahead and start this. It's the consistency of it. And it's black, but as you can see, it foams white. And it does not take a lot of foam to get you going. So I'm very impressed so far. So I'm gonna go ahead, finish shampooing, and I will be back. Okay, so the shampoo comes out black, foams white, and rinses clear. Shocking, right? Okay, so I'm rinsed out. My hair feels pretty good. It feels clean. It does not feel stripped, so I'm happy about that. So now we are going to go in with the hair mask. And everything else is a natural color. So this is white. So everything else is like all in the line is like a white color, white or clear color. This is very, very thick and creamy, and it smells nice. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this. This is not a sponsored video, by the way. I paid for these products with my own money. You guys know Coils has been having some awesome sales lately. They had a Sweet 16 sale, which I should have took advantage of, and I didn't. I bought this during the 30% off sale that ended, I think it just ended. Might have just ended yesterday. So either yesterday or today. I will double check on that, and I will put a link at the bottom just in case the sale is still going on. But as you can see, this is very creamy, very thick, and I'm just trying to work some tangles out. So I'm going to come back after I am done. I'm going to let this sit for 30 minutes, and then I will be back. And by the way, there are no artificial colors in this line, so I just wanted to point that out when I said that all the other products are a natural color, white or clear. So that does not mean there are artificial colors in this shampoo, because with me having gray hair, I have to check on artificial colors constantly, and I do not use products that have artificial colors in them. So this Cashmere Caviar Collection is to strengthen, restructure, and add sheen to stressed and damaged coils and kinks. It's formulated with organic, certified organic, cashmere extract, and that is for uber soft and yet stronger tresses. And it also has certified organic caviar extract, and that is rich in vitamins A, D, omega-3, 6, 9, omega-3, 6, and 9. And it has champagne fruit extract, and that is for increased elasticity and for manageability. And that charcoal shampoo, the shampoo has activated charcoal in it, thus the black color. So I wanted to go ahead and stress to you guys that there are no unnatural colors in this collection, all natural, period. I even contacted Coils to find out, because the shampoo was just throwing me for a loop, and they were like, no baby girl, it is all natural. 3 items in this line, and that is the hair serum, the hair silk, and the hair gelée. So the silk is the leave-in conditioner, and then you have the gelée, which of course is your gel, and the serum, which is the finisher. So I must say, I'm liking the way my hair turned out. My curls are clumped, and that is just from me rinsing out the deep conditioner. So I am impressed. So let's go ahead and start with the hair silk. So I've smelled all of these. They smell great. This is the silk. Very kind of fruity. It's the consistency. And I'm just gonna slather this on. Okay. Yes, curls, yeah. So the next step in the process is the gelée. And it says style while you reconstruct and strengthen your stressed and damaged hair. It has a light hold with added sheen and definition. So I really like how this conditioner, it was thick but not that thick. My hair feels really, really moisturized, so that is a little shocking to me. So here is the gelée. It's thick, it's creamy, so that's the consistency. Smells good. Can't really describe the smell. It's not really sweet, but I love the consistency. I can tell my hair is not going to be crunchy. So here you go. Okay, it's a little white, but I'm sure that's going to dry clear. I really, really like the consistency of these products. It's creamy, but it's not weighing my hair down. I love that. So let's take this next section. We're going to rake that through. My hair feels so soft and moist. I can't even describe it. I like this. This is going to be a bomb wash and go. I can just tell that already. I have a fingernail that is driving me crazy. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead. Ooh, even the part that, see, this is just from the conditioner. Nothing else is on this but conditioner, and look at my curls. They look absolutely beautiful. Like I could just walk out the door right now with my hair with just conditioner in it and feel like it would still be okay. And I'd have a nice fluffy wash and go. Beautiful. It feels so soft and so moist. So I'm going to finish this up and I'll be back. I'm going to go ahead and do the serum now on these sections as I'm doing it. So here is the serum. It is also creamy. So let's see how this goes. We're going to start off with the low post section right here and see what happens. Okay. Interesting. I almost feel like I need to wet my hair some more, maybe. I'm not sure, and there are no instructions on this to tell you anything about application or anything. So I'm just kind of winging it. And I gotta get this section, this lower section here. Oh. This fingernail, I've got to cut this fingernail because it is ripping through my hair, and we know that is a definite no, no. Okay, so I almost feel like I need to re-wet my hair, which I know I probably shouldn't do because the serum is supposed to be the finisher. I think I'm going to have to wet my hair as I do this to make sure that my hair is super moisturized because these two creams coming on behind it. So I'll be back when I'm done once I figure this out and let you guys see the results. Okay, everybody, here's the final results. I am done, and here are my curls. So I'm going to go ahead and turn around for you guys so you can see. Hair has movement. It looks great. And I'm really, really impressed. My hair feels super soft and moisturized. So the thing that I discovered with this is that you have to have plenty of water on hand with this because the gelée is creamy and also this serum is creamy. So since you have two creamy things coming behind, you need to make sure there's plenty of water so your hair doesn't turn white. So this section is still recovering. This first section, I added some more water, but still it's going to have to do its thing. So I'm knowing that everything that is showing a little white is going to dry clear. So I just wanted to come back, show you the end result. Curls, you did it. I don't know why I waited so long to try it, but I'm so glad that I did. You know they're getting ready to come out with a new line, right? Yes, it's going to be a green line of products. So go on their Instagram page, check that out, because they do have a post on there showing all kinds of green luscious things that's going to go in there. So the new line's coming out. So I had to try this one before the new one came out.